In today's video, I am going to teach you how to click and open your Google Chrome bookmarks in new tabs. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and that you can see your bookmarks. If your bookmarks bar is visible, you can use any bookmark there. If your bookmarks are stored in another bookmarks folder, that works as well. The process is the same either way. Once Chrome is open, move your cursor to any saved bookmark that you want to open. This can be a bookmark on the bookmarks bar or one inside a bookmarks folder. Instead of left-clicking the bookmark, which usually opens it in your current tab, right-click on the bookmark. This will open a small menu with several options related to that saved link. In that menu, look for the option that says Open in a new tab. When you see it, click that option. Chrome will immediately open the bookmarked page in a separate tab, while keeping your current tab exactly where it is. That means you can switch back and forth between pages without interrupting what you are already doing. This is especially helpful if you are researching, comparing information across websites, or simply trying to stay organized while browsing. Opening bookmarks in new tabs can save time and make it easier to manage multiple pages at once. That covers everything you need to know.